guys, today I am going to play Catbird. Well, I never played Catbird for a long time, so yeah, I'm really excited to play Catbird because, I once played this when I was 4 years old. The good old memories. I miss the good old memories. Oh, was upon a time there was a cat. Oh, what's that? Oh, wait, yeah, it's a Catbird. Oh, Catland. So cute. Oh no! Poor Catbird. Oh, it go down. Oh no, it's falling down. It's like a meteor. I hope the cat will survive. Ooh, what's that? Oh, that's like the cat planet. They're so cute. Oh, I know how to play this. It's like I already remember how to play this. Wait, how do you fly? Before, Catbird actually flied. But now I forgot how it flied because I never played this for a long time. Oh, so you hold it. Oh, that's how you make it fly. There you go. Admit I thought it couldn't fly. No, poor Catbird. So you're supposed to go there and then there. I remember how this works. First, get the key. No, it's so... Oh my gosh, poor Catbird. I hope Catbird would survive. Catbird. Cat. Jump. I'm so nervous. I never played this for a long time, so I'm kind of pro, like a noob. A proly noob. Guess I'm in level 3. Oh, I know how this works. So first, you push this here. Second, you go there. Get the key first. Wait. I think I remember how this works. So first, you bring this along with you. And then after that, wait. Oh, there you go. You make it a landscape for you to stand on. See? So just trying to... No, that's 2 deaths. Why does it always have to happen like this? Yes. The key is the only way to make me... Push bird. I just remembered that this would have a funny, cute name, like in each stage. I'm such a noob. So anyone who knows Catbird, you're a legend. Yeah. No! Oh no, my Catbird has 4 deaths. Poor Catbird. Flop. Imagine just going outside and seeing cat sitting there. Hello, I want some cheese. How many minutes is this, by the way? No, just push it a little bit. I'm so nervous. Gotta push it there. Wait. No, it's so hard. Kick the body. Silence. Darn ads. If only I could just remove stuff. Darn ads. Skip it. No. Oh wait, yeah, I love to kill someone. No, come on. I have to download the game. So I think I know how this works. Can't believe I already have 5 deaths. Before I had 105 deaths. Don't push that Catbird. So what you're yes, yay! I'm free. This is so amazing. I'm only gonna reach until. Oh, I think I know how this works. Wait, how does this work? Oh, so you're supposed to get it. Wait, that thing is scary and dangerous, I think. So I'm just gonna... Gotta make sure that chainsaw thingy doesn't come at me. Oh, oh. Thank goodness there's like a space in here. Yeah, that's how it works. So you're supposed to stand on the box. There. What happened? What happened? Oh, come on! I've only... Wait, how many minutes is this right now? So if you push this... No, I just don't get it. Wait a minute. So I think that these are the buttons. These buttons lead to open the door thingy. Yeah, I think that's it. No, dude. So if you guys want anxiety, yeah, you should come. You should come in this place. It's wonderful. Oh, I'm going to have a hard time playing this. But you can do it. Da 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 da. Wait, did it open? Do you think I'm supposed to go like there? Like, no, my jump won't last there. No! Come on, I always mess this up. Imagine if you knew what it felt like. Wait. What happened if I actually put the box there? No. I swear if this is more than 5 minutes, I'm gonna trigger. Before I die, I want to say last few words. I like hot dogs. Oh wow. Still not yet working. Yes, I did it. Wait, now I know how this works. No, why did I jump? How dare you betray me? Gotta go on, gotta go fast, gotta go fast, gotta go fast. No, I'm such a noob at this game. Maybe I should play this part 2. Maybe I should make a part 2. Not sure if I can only record up to 10 minutes, but if I don't make it, I'm gonna have to make a part 2. Gotta go fast, gotta go fast. Yes, yeah, I made it.